Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Grammarly free trial on your iPhone step by step in very simple terms. Let's get started. First, open your iPhone and open the App Store. This is important because all subscription and free trial from app are controlled there. In the top right corner, you will see your profile picture. Tap on it, open your account menu. Now tap on purchase history. This will show you all the apps you were paying for or currently using on a free trial. You will see an option that says cancel free trial or cancel subscription. A message will pop up again asking you to confirm. Just tap confirm. Once it's cancelled, you will see it change to expire one. This means your free trial will continue until that date, but you won't be charged. Cancelling the trial does not stop you for using Grammarly Premium. You will still have access until trial instead. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next one.